Alright guys, this is a big envelope, the 720, I think 720, 725 padded envelope full of wood stamps. You can see all that. Now I have tried to destash this before, and I had a couple of people interested, but they never got back with me, so I'm going to show you this again. There are some Christmas in here. Here's one here, border. This one. A butterfly. This one is a finest smile ever. Butterfly. And this is a bigger stamp of little circles. And then this I really didn't want to get rid of because I like it so much. It's got little bitty flowers and butterflies, but it's a huge background stamp. See, it's big as my hand. Here's the other one, and it's bigger than that. And then here's another Christmas presents. And then here is a Stampin' Up! Stamp set. I think it's called Tags and More. Okay, it's never been used. Alright, and then this one I've explained several times. This is a Stampin' Up! Set. The only problem is when I bought it, it only had a few of them. I found out what the set was. I can't remember the name of it, but it's missing 2 of the stamps. So I've got all of these stamps in here. Okay, you can see all of these. The dog's barking. And then the stamps that are missing. Zoe, hush, hush. Is this one and this one. These 2 stamps right here are missing. And I didn't know any, I didn't know that it had a couple of stamps missing. Zoe, shh. So, anyway, all this is going to be, I think I had it, it's $20 shipped. So, U.S. only, PayPal, friends and family. Zoe, hush. So just let me know if you're interested in the comments, and I'll get these out to you. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.